Hi, I'm Lisa Bronner, and today we're going green with washing produce with Dr. Bronner's Castile soap and Suds. Whether you've grown your produce or bought it, it's a good idea to give it a little wash before cutting into it or eating it, so nothing on the outside transfers to the inside. With organic produce, you'll be washing off any field dirt or potential stowaways, and with non-organic, you can be washing off any surface pesticides, though of course not any that are systemic. Washing will also remove any waxes, which can be found on both organic and non-organic vegetables. Most fruit you want to wait and wash right before you're going to use it, because there's a natural protective biome, and as soon as that's washed off, they start to degrade. The exception to this is robust leafy greens like kale or chard or romaine, which get refreshed by being washed and put in the fridge. But today I'm using a spring mix that I'm going to eat right away. Washing produce can be done a couple of different ways. For a single item, you can use a drop directly from the Suds or Castile soap, or a dollop from a foaming pump dispenser. Wash for 20 seconds, just like with your hands, and then rinse thoroughly. For a larger amount, fill either the sink or a large bowl with water and a small squirt of Suds or Castile soap until slightly sudsy. For a larger amount of produce, keep it in a colander so you can corral it and set it in the suds. Rub it around to clean it off. One thing you don't want to do is soak your produce, especially with porous vegetables or fruit like berries, which will absorb the water, and no one wants mushy berries. For washing leafy greens, use either the bowl of the salad spinner or the same large bowl and submerge the basket directly in the water. Rub the leaves around gently to wash them. Then rinse them well, and then spin to dry. Let's talk about a few special cases with fruits and vegetables. So, sturdy root vegetables like potatoes, carrots, or beets, I give them a good scrubbing under running water, but they don't really need soap. And then you have mushrooms, nature's little sponges. They shouldn't go underwater at all and don't need soap, so just wipe them with a damp, soft cloth or a soft mushroom brush. And something from my yard, like these lemons, now I happen to know there have been some snails and some birds on them, so I'm going to give them a quick wash with some Suds or Castile soap before I cut into them and make some lemonade or lemon marmalade. Now comes the best part. Thanks for joining me for washing produce with Dr. Bronner's, and I'll see you the next time we go green. If you enjoy this type of content and want more tips for living a simpler and greener life, then like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Facebook, check out my blog, Going Green with Lisa Bronner, and read my book, Soap and Soul.